Okay, hi guys. So nowadays, if you want to get benefit from any of the government schemes, mainly the central government ones, your bank account should be DBT linked. So in this video, I'll show you how you can check if your bank account is DBT linked or not. So for that, I'm in my laptop screen, but it's fine if you are trying it with your mobile phone. It will work completely fine. So for that, you have to open your favorite browser. I'm in my Chrome browser. So here you have to type Aadhaar bank seeding. Hit enter. You have to open this first link, and then you have to do the login. For that you need to have your Aadhaar card ready because other number is needed. Yeah, we put my other number over here. Okay, now let me put the captcha. Now hit login with OTP. My OTP will be received on your registered mobile number, which is linked with your Aadhaar. So I have received the OTP. So the login. Let's wait for some time. Yeah. So here you have to scroll down and you have to search for bank seeding status. This one. Now if it showing active, that is the seeding status active, that means your bank account is DBT linked. If it is not, your bank account is not linked and you need to do the DBT link. So that's it for this video. Thank you.